Tips to control the humidity in your home. Our daily activities, such as cooking and showering, add a lot of unnecessary moisture in our homes and can lead to higher humidity. High humidity can lead to a range of problems, including health risks from dust mites and mold, reduced comfort, and structural damage. In addition to using the air conditioner, here is what you can do to control the humidity level in your home. Keep relative humidity below 55% throughout the entire house. Install exhaust fans in areas that produce high levels of moisture. Make sure that exhaust fans vent to the outside, and not in the attic. Take shorter and colder showers and use a low-flow shower head. When cooking, don't forget to cover pots and use slow cookers that release less steam. Keep firewood outdoors, it contains water that increases humidity if kept indoors. If the humidity level in your home is too low, consider purchasing a humidifier. Use a dehumidifier if the high humidity level in your home is hard to control. Reduce the number of plants, they release more moisture than they absorb. Make sure not to add too much water to the plants you do keep. Proper ventilation is essential to controlling the amount of indoor humidity. Known as the paramedics of property damage, PuroClean Mitigation Services provides water damage remediation, flood water removal, fire and smoke damage remediation, and biohazard cleanup to commercial and residential customers. We're here to help. Call PuroClean 832-562-4422.